What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We are on our way to the other side of the country to train in Freerun's Heerenveen gym. We're visiting Wouter, Rick, Toens to have some fun with a lot of people. We have Jelle next to me. We have Niels. And we have Jordan. Jordan? There he is. We have also Funs, but Funs is already there because he went to Friesland with his father. So yeah. We need to drive 2.5 hours. So yeah. See you soon. Okay, watch this, watch this. We made this last time. It's all used shoes from different parkour athletes from the Netherlands.
Nice.
So yeah, that's quite cool. So yeah, we arrived. We're just walking inside, so yeah, let's go.
Gaat met jullie?
There he is.
Stelletje lamsbouten, stelletje krokodillendijen, stelletje bananenpoffertjes, stelletje jeneverbes limoentjes. Ik weet het niet meer wat ik zeg, jongens.
Okay, this is Wouter, we are here. Let's go. Okay, Funs is going to do the hakketakken.
Bijna hapje.
Doe een flip!
Ja.
Oh, die is goed, jongen! Ja.
Hey.
That's not good enough!
Ja, let's go.
Nice! Hij is met microfoon het hoor, ja?
Opstaan, Nazi!
Okay, good morning. There have more people arrived. We have the one and only Quinten de Kruik, aka Kong Crash Gainer. There he is. This is the wall where he bumped his head and got knocked out before he landed on the floor. But he's fine.
Moet een filmpje hebben?
Insert clip.
Goedje kwam een beetje langs.
A few moments later.
Ja!
Godverdomme.
That's not good enough!
Banging! Bang, 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 bang! Boom. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how hard it is to do a proper line. Sick. Dinger! Yo. Dat is nog een mooiere dinger.
Zeker. Lekker.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm at the office editing all the videos, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, put down a comment, share it with all your friends, and we will see you next Friday. Keep jumping.